Moving left to right! That wasn't even anywhere close. Get out of there! What are you doing?
Let's go!
Where did I just put the
Yeah,
old one?
good shafts on there.
You set it up here, maybe?
Let's walk this way.
Yeah, should be. Especially these ones.
Short.
All right, charge it back one more time. You're ready to fire.
If we don't get this down, it's going to be a long, long day trying to find targets.
out the middle, okay? Once you get up there, the PSO, staff sergeant Graham will
5 to 6 seconds for it to actually get to the altitude.
Yeah, me either.
Yeah, right? No?
It's a nuclear code that they got.
Hey, grab the lollipop.
go ahead and pick it up.
Downrange. Go away.
Hey, Don, close it up.